Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Una Ear Device, Una know see a one and only Atafa the Press. Well, I'm back again, my wisdom warriors. I have breaking news for Japan, Uno. Playing with Malawi Vice President is missing. Breaking news. A military plane carrying Malawi's vice president and 9 others is missing and a search is underway. Breaking news, my wisdom warriors. A military plane carrying Malawi's vice president and 9 others is missing and a search is underway. The president's office said on Monday the plane carrying 51-year-old Vice President Carlos Chilima left the capital, Lilongwe, but failed to make its scheduled landing at Mzuzu International Airport about 230 miles to the north around 45 minutes later. Breaking news. Plane with Malawi Vice President missing. Breaking news. A military plane carrying Malawi's vice president and 9 others is missing and the search is underway. My wisdom warriors, this no look good at all. This no look good. What is going on in the world? What is happening in the world, my wisdom warriors? A vice president plane gone missing just like that and nobody don't know where it go to. They have been waiting for landing and all know the plane can land at Zuzu International Airport. What is going on? Something not right, my wisdom warriors. For everybody that has just joined, breaking news. A plane with Malawi vice president has gone missing just like that. A military plane carrying Malawi's vice president and 9 others is missing and a search is underway. My wisdom warriors, this is too much. I want to see what is going on in the world. I want to know so I have to break this, I have to come and show what is going on, because these things, these serious things, Remember, say enough how we take plane, go all over. You understand me? And if your vice president plane just gone missing and they don't know what's going on. Oh boy, Jaja. Not just other day, some problem did happen with some president. Mighty God of Daniel, I do not know, my wisdom warriors, but I will update you guys if I get more information. Haiti's newly selected Prime Minister Gary Conille was discharged from a hospital Sunday after spending a night in treatment for an undisclosed condition. In a video published on YouTube, Conille said he felt well and was ready to continue to help steer the country out of its current security crisis by forming a government that will also prioritize issues like healthcare. However, my wisdom warriors, the newly chosen Haitian Prime Minister is now discharged from the hospital. So, me no know what go on from what I go on. Me no know, I just recently, just other day, then chose him. So, me no know what go down. Then come disclose nothing. Then tell we nothing. Then tell we what is the condition, what is the problem, why he was in hospital, and one bag of something. So, we no know nothing basically. All we know say, then discharge him. Me not even know say he in a hospital. I didn't even know until I see this picture. You understand? Till me see this in the article, me know what I go on. And this is according to the Gleaner. The Gleaner me get it from. So my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think I go down there. Wanna tell me, wanna just put it in the comment section. Tell me what the pound of mine. Anyway, hear this. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz says he is aware that misinformation about the VEX issue of demerit points against transport operators who breach the road traffic is the driving force behind the threat of strike action. What is he talking about? misinformation. Come, Lusa. This someone always come out and attack. Come, let me dissect this, my wisdom warriors. Yeah, let me dissect it. Transport Minister Daryl Vybz says he's aware that misinformation about the vex issue of demerit points against transport operators who breach the Road Traffic Act is the driving force behind the threat of strike action. Excuse me. So yet you are trying. You know what? Daryl Vybz, I need to stop it, you know. You need to stop it. Everything you come out, yeah, Andrew Honest and talk about misinformation. What kind of misinformation you talk about now? And what you talk, it don't really matter if a them, if a the people them, we forget points on their license, are the one them will already have points on their license, a strike, make the people them for strike. The taxi operator them for strike. Uno for go because uno take the taxi operator them for fool, boy, yeah. Uno for go uno always come out and promise people. So me like the way all the taxi driver them stand up. Hey, my wisdom warriors, a serious things are going, you know. All that block the road, you know. And the police them have to out there try and block the road, you know. And the police, they may say, oh, they try and block the road. They might block the road, and I do not blame them. Every time Daryl Vybz come out and talk about misinformation. Every day, this man and Andrew, misinformation. You don't chat too much, man. Look how much things need for addressing in the country. Look how much things need for do. Look how much of the road need for fix. Go fix Tri-Bridge and for the constituency. Because, hey, me I telling about, man, Jano. Every time when you come out and listen, if the people they want strike, they have all right for strike. They're supposed to strike. Leave the people them alone. Make them strike in peace. Make the people then strike in peace. My wisdom warriors, all the transport for police, I want to see them and make trips. It's sweet me I see at them for walk. At them for do it. Because Andrew Honest government do not care about the taxi operators them. Remember, say them same one did promise them money, you know. You remember, say them promise for raise them pay. And what did they do? They never raise it. Right now, me here say enough taxi drivers still run taxi, you know, but them push up the price. I don't blame you, no. Push it up because the people then here say taxi strike and yet then still go to work like they not no sense. I just not understand. All the boss them should know that. From uno hear say taxi operator strike. Uno for strike too. Uno workplace for strike too. I want to depend. Uno no say Andrew Honest I'm mash down Jamaica. It come like uno no say wagwan. Uno no say wagwan. My wisdom warriors, according to Minister Vybz, the leaders of the various transport groups ought to do a better job of informing their members about the state of play regarding discussion to resolve the issue. Every day they come out and them are going to do a better job. It's time what Daryl Vybz talk about Mark Golding dual citizenship. He shouldn't spend time with the taxi driver them, and that he shouldn't do. And that you shouldn't do. You take up too much of your time every day. A tweet every day upon social media. Mark Golding business. You have Mark Golding business upon your head. You're not even focused upon your duty. The way Mark Golding is so important to Uno. Uno just have the man dual citizenship pan top on the blouse and skirt head back. And there's important things on should not sort out in a Jamaica when I get sorted out. This is why these things are happening right now today, Daryl Vybz. Every day you come out to talk about misinformation. Who give misinformation like you and Andrew? You and Andrew Horace Chang. The whole of Uno. Uno alone come out and give misinformation. So I don't know where you talk about. Seriously, if people them for strike 100 times. The people them for strike for the whole week. Because guess what, my wisdom warriors? The same man them way I get ticket, and them same one if you carry the people them go walk. And so, yes, uno fi do it. And that uno fi do. And enough for uno go out and ticket people wrongfully. Sometimes the people they not do not enough taxi operators follow rules and regulations. And uno go and give them. Uno go and ticket them. You understand? All when they in at the right, uno still ticket them. Uno too wicked. No for uno boy, uno wicked. No for uno police boy. No for uno police girl. No for uno traffic, whatever wanna call on yourself. No for uno wicked. Uno no stand with uno Jamaican people. Uno don't. Uno do not stand with the Jamaican people. So my wisdom warriors, that's when I see them, but them a make trippy sweet. Me see I should have for the whole year them a do it for. Seriously. I wish the taxi operator then could have strike for the whole year. Let me see what Andrew Honest would do. I want to stay there. As I said to you before, there is an agenda behind all of this. There is an agenda behind all of this, my wisdom warriors. Only hear Daryl Vaz them come out and chat about 20,000 license, one bag of sitting. Yeah? There's a big agenda behind it. And when you hear it, you go get the shocker on a life. Una go get the shocker on a life when una hear it. With Daryl Vaz and Andrew Wellness plan for do my wisdom warriors. Una think say easy people them are not easy people. You see all them I talk about in drive and this and that and 876. I get them want to get rid of them because they have them plan. Una hear me? They have them plan. So my wisdom warriors, take in this.
Help out the system. Yeah, man, transport help out the system. Good job of them. With assistance and police.
Man, yes, I them fi help them. I should have Daryl Vaz him come and do it himself. I them fi help them. I them fi help them because they not have no regards. When it come to them, when it come to the people of Jamaica, and Honest administration no have no regards. They not care. They not care whatsoever. So me like the way how the taxi operator them hold out. And some of them still run taxi same way because they all for themselves. They not stand up together. You know. You see true nothing not affect them. This me tell about Jamaican people. You see true not reach up for them door yet, my wisdom warrior. They don't want stand up. They don't want to stand up with other people. But wait till you reach up for them blast it door. Because you see, me tell you something in a life. Nobody no know what tomorrow may bring. You hear me? So no found no stay there and help on the neighbor. No stay there and help on the brothers and sisters. No stay there. Sometimes me have to wonder, but Jano, seriously, me just not understand. Majority, 90% of them think for themselves. They're selfish. And not just because you know reach a for them door, my wisdom warriors. But any day reach a for them door, at that time you are going to hear them ball out and nobody now going to do that for help. Right now, my wisdom warriors, Kartel's son is saying his father's heart wouldn't survive a retrial. The Court of Appeal has struck out arguments from Vybz Kartel's family, claiming the popular entertainer cannot stand a retrial on health grounds. The arguments were filed in an affidavit. Kartel's attorneys submitted an affidavit from the entertainer's son, Liquor Vybz, saying Kartel is sick. Liquor Vybz, whose given name is Adija Jahim Palmer, tried to make the case in the affidavit that his father's incarceration has had a negative effect on the family. The younger Palmer said his grandmother, Kartel's mother, Theresa Wilson Palmer, prays every night for her son. My wisdom warriors, all right, I sat. Let me talk to you now, I sat. Lord Jesus. Hey, my wisdom warriors, you know what I'm going to talk? I have to up in my mouth. I sat. Let me ask you a question because this is according to the paper me get it from, yeah? So you really think say, wait, remember say them a people and have no heart, you know, I sat. They not have no heart. You really think say that, did I go work on them? You really think say a letter saying how them pray all the while and it have a negative effect on the son was going to touch their heart? You know, so them judge you heartless. You know, so the system corrupt and it judges them heartless. Lord, me can't believe you. Me can't believe your eyes. You really do something like that for true? Me have to really wonder if you really do something like that. You really go up. You know what? Sometimes me have to wonder. I said that now go work on the court system of Jamaica. Court system of Jamaica no have no art. They want everybody for good on. You know, Sister Andrew Wellness and make more prison. This is why they want to keep everybody in prison, and they are expecting more young boys and young girls to become criminals. This is why Andrew Holness is building prison. So when you are come now with that, it now go work. Cause them heartless, they don't have no love. They not even have love for the little pitney them, much less. They really not have no love, because if they did have love for the little pitney them, you see the sex offender registry, they would not debate if they release it. They would not release it long time if they want to save lives. These people not care about nobody, and that is a perfect example. That is a perfect example. Me see some people come on in my comment section and talk about when me talk, it sound vile. It is very vile. Listen to me, so when me talk, me tell you all the while, me not talk with water in my mouth. But you know what? The truth always hurt. The truth always hurts. So because me come out and talk the truth, no for no thing say it is vile. It is not vile. Because if you no go and do no research, uno would know say the truth me attack, no for uno. You understand me? So my wisdom warriors, let's dissect this, because the first part we want to go deeper down in the first part. So here this a little part here. The Court of Appeal. I want to listen, because me I pick sense out of nonsense. If the Court of Appeal has struck out arguments from Vybz Kartel's family claiming the popular entertainer cannot stand a retrial on health grounds, you know what that mean? That means a retrial them are going to bring it. That means a retrial them are going to bring it. See there? That means a retrial. Because if I never retrial my wisdom warriors, they wouldn't say, no, what? We are going to have this and we are going to take hold on it. And in the meantime, we are going to consider it. But not even consider, they won't consider it. Listen what it said. This is according to Nationwide, It said the Court of Appeal has struck out arguments from Vybz Kartel's family claiming the popular entertainer cannot stand a retrial on health grounds. So basically, say a retrial, them are going to bring it back. Listen, hey, them I tell you, I tell you what them are going to do, a retrial, this I go to my wisdom warriors. You understand? If them just go struck it out like that, they not fit do things like that. That's why I tell us that these people are heartless. Them people here, the court system is a failure. There is no justice. There is no justice. This is why Andrew Wallace want to hold on to the Privy Council, because him a part of the Privy Council. So nobody now gonna get no justice. So might as well everything go to the CCJ. Because remember, as a taxpayer already pay off the whole of their money already to the CCJ. So people need to benefit from the CCJ. Why paying off over 26 million and Jamaicans aren't benefit from it when a whole heap of people want justice? A lot of prisoners in prison want justice right now, my wisdom warriors. So, and for sure, you see the arguments were filed in an affidavit. Yeah, and it's saying Kartel's attorney submit an affidavit from the entertainer's son, Little Vybz, saying Kartel is sick. They know all of this, Kartel sick. So if them are going to struck it out, a straight a retrial, them are going to bring it. They not even say, all right, we're going to put it and try to consider it. Nothing. And it is really sad. You see, this is not about the youth, This is bigger than it. Somebody have hand in this or something here. This is not about about lizard no more. It's not about no lizard no more. Boy, Jano. Me I see one of the article posts where name Sir P or whatever. Me don't know what them a try prove, but for some reason them a post Sir P. I don't know why them post Sir P. You see, sometimes when you do look at things, my wisdom warriors, you have to read between the lines. When you see the media houses, them come out and do certain little things, read between the lines. Yeah, the whole of them depend on the government side. Wanna hear me? The whole of them depend on the government side. Seriously. And it is easily spotted. Jano. Because if the youth remember say a long time them father gone, from them young, And if them are gonna write letter, yeah, come on, consider it. Hold on to it and say, all right, by the ending at the 5 days, we will see what we are going to do. We are going to make up our mind, yes or no. Come on, but if you just struck it out like that, a straight a retrial, them are going to bring this. But you can't tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, you can support my movement by blessing up my PayPal. The link for the PayPal I got in the comment section. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.